Hey guys, how you doing? Rustic Cook here. My boy Tristan, he's been telling me about this spot in Newmarket. I believe it's Vietnamese soup. So the thing about it is that I've been in Canada for like 20 years. Never dawned on me, to try it for. I've always been sticking to my roots, my traditional Jamaican soup. So it's always good to come out of your comfort zone, and especially now that I'm doing food review, it's the best time opportunity to try it, especially because it's winter time now. So it's one of those feel good comfort food. Like I said, my boy Tristan told me about this place in Newmarket that he likes to try, and I figured let's give it a go. And I'll let you guys know what it's like. All right, stay tuned. Again, number 31. Well done beef and chicken with rice noodle. All right, guys, this is looking yummy. So right here, we got the beef. I like that. So far, I'm loving the presentation of the pho. The broth is very, well, I would say now it's clear. It's a clear broth. In Jamaica, Caribbean, we're used to more of a different color. I'd say more like a golden broth. Where a lot of people in Jamaica would probably think this is just water. But like I said, I've never tried it before. I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna give it a go. But so far, like I said, presentation looking good. I got the beef right here, nice thinly sliced, right there. We got nice chicken. I'm guessing this is like maybe chicken breast, right here. I like it. We got some green onions. What kind of noodle is this again?
Rice noodles.
Rice noodles. Nice. We got the rice noodles right here. And yeah, I'm excited. So here goes. Ooh, I like that. Oh, got broth. It's really good. I can taste the green onion, red onion. Let me try the beef. All right, here's with the beef. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving this pho. The beef, very tender, flavored. Oh yeah, I love it. Here's the thing, the looks is kind of deceiving because the broth. Like I said, I'm used to Jamaican Caribbean soup where the broth is more like a golden color because they sauteed like pumpkins and stuff like that. So you know what I mean. It gets that color from the different veggies in there. Where here no, there's not any pumpkin or any of that. So it's just really more of a clear broth, which, like I said, surprising to me. Very flavorful and just yummy, man.
Really nice.
I find it really nice. Let me try the rice noodle now. Ooh, it's hot. Nice. Very light. I like that. Very light. And then now, my brother been telling me about the hot sauce.
Pepper sauce and the thing.
I'm gonna try that. All right, guys. So I added hot sauce in there, and I'm gonna try that now. Oh, I got some chicken in there too. Yo, that hot sauce definitely adds some flavor. Guys, if you've never had pho, I'm telling you, you gotta try it. Look at that generous amount of meat. Pause. Let me get some more, some of that soup, that broth. I'm not gonna lie, it's packed a lot of flavors in there. A lot of flavor. And this is a small. I think I could actually do the large. Love the noodles. Very light. And you know what? It adds it just adds to the dish. It just makes the whole presentation yummy. I mean, when you add the hot sauce to it, it actually obviously changes the color of the broth, and then that's what kind of reminds me of the Caribbean kind of broth that I'm used to. But either way, like I said, it's yummy. Never had pho, first time, and I'm loving it. My boy Tristan was telling me to add some bean sprouts to it. I'm gonna add some of them in there. Oh, and then he said fresh lime right here. All right, and then mix it up a little bit. Oh yeah, Oh yeah, look at that nice beef. Ooh. Let me show you guys what's going on in this. Look at that. Got the beef there. Got some chicken. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Mm. Look at that. No, obviously the only reason why I'm doing this like this because not everybody's going to be okay with me recording, so I have to be basically sneaking in and recording. But listen, I'm not going to obviously give them a bad review because the food really is good. It's my first time having pho, and I have nothing bad to say, man. If anything, I tell a lot of people to come by and try it out and let them know Rory the Rustic Cook sent you, because I'm really enjoying it. I mean, it's winter time here in Canada, so this is definitely something that you'd want to, go out after cruising the mall, doing your Christmas shopping and all that, and you're hungry, feel chilly. This is the place. I guess just about any Vietnamese place that pho is just as good. But if you're in Newmarket, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below, and you guys gotta hit them up. Trust me, you can't go wrong. Presentation wise, I'm gonna give it I'm gonna say an 8.5 out of 10 presentation wise. Taste, I'm gonna give it a 9.5. I think it's really that good. I really enjoy it. Like I said, I've never had it before, and it's different from Caribbean traditional soup, where you have like pumpkin dumplings, or what we call spinners. You have Irish potato, all kind of different stuff in there. But with this, it's very simple. Like I said, it's just beef, chicken, and rice noodles. You know what I mean? And then the broth. And like I said, the broth punches a lot of flavor. Trust me, a lot of flavor. It's surprising to me because, like I said, I normally go with my eyes, and when I look at Jamaican soup, the look of the liquid, the soup, you know what I mean? If it looks rich, if it doesn't, if it looks bland, and you're like, eh. But with this, like I said, looks are deceiving because there's no much of a color to it and packs a lot of flavor. So definitely, if you've never tried pho, you gotta try it out, guys. But yeah, so I rated a 9.5 when it comes to flavor. Presentation, 8.5. And even when it comes to the price, I think it's reasonable. But anyway, guys, I enjoy it and I recommend it. And like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And yeah, man, hope you guys enjoy it just like I did. And just say to my brother Tristan, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Enjoy it. All right, guys. Bye. Guys, I recommend it for number one. 9.5, like I said, overall, I give it 9.5. I recommend it.